Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
It's great to be here.
It always is great to be here. Gary, let's talk about today's question. I was in a wreck, went to the emergency room, but the hospital is now calling me about my bill instead of using my insurance. What am I supposed to do? Do I have to pay the bill myself?
Yeah, this comes up a lot now.
Does it?
Okay. You know, these bills, we've talked about this before, but they're just crazy.
They are.
And I don't know who sits in a room and makes them up, you know, but they come rolling in and people are faced with them, and then you got to know, what do I do? If you're waiting on, if you have been injured in a car wreck and you don't know who's going to pay it, well, here's the rule.
Okay.
Make your insurance pay it. So now but the problem to the rule is that some places won't use your insurance or will tell you that your insurance is secondary to something else. And that's where the rub comes. Okay. So here's how you protect yourself. And it's really important you do this. If you have health insurance, if you have Medicare, you have any kind of program, TRICARE, Medicaid, whatever, Blue Cross, I don't care what it is, put it in writing to the provider that you have that coverage. You're going to tell them when they admit you,
right,
if the ER, this is an emergency room situation, then write them again. Put it in writing. Don't just tell somebody over the phone. Find somebody to send it to, email, however, it doesn't matter, but put it in writing and do it more than once and keep copies of it. And that way, if it ever pops up later and they go, well, we didn't know to turn it into United Healthcare because we weren't on notice, so now it's too late to use that product, you can say, no, you knew. I told you, and here it is in writing. You should have done that. And here's what's going on. They are hoping that you don't use your insurance, and if they delay it long enough, they'll just get sticker price from the car wreck insurance company. So, but if you're not at fault, that's not even, so they're looking for that. So can we get sticker price instead of the adjusted price?
Yeah, going through insurance. Okay, so what if I'm at fault in this accident or whatever happened to me?
If you're at fault, use your insurance.
Okay.
You need to let them know that too, because now they don't have a place they can submit their bill. So I think that would really expedite that situation. But the point is that we've got some miscommunication because, and there's arguments to be made on all sides of these things. I understand that, but we have insurance, we pay for insurance, we should use insurance.
Yeah, okay, all right, very good. Thank you, Gary. We'll see you on the next legal break.